Welcome back to our series on the 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth by John C. Maxwell. I'm Balan Swaminathan, and I am delighted you have joined me on this journey of intentional growth. Whether you are a leader, a professional, a student, a business owner, or someone who simply wants to become a better version of yourself, this series is for you. Last time, we learned the law of intentionality, that growth doesn't happen automatically. If we want to grow, we must become intentional. Today, we move to the second law, the law of awareness. Here is Maxwell's main point. You must know yourself in order to grow yourself. Many people want a better life. Many people want greater success. Many people want to make a difference, but very few pause long enough to ask, who am I? What am I created to do? Am I moving toward my purpose, or am I simply moving through life? Growth begins with awareness. Until you understand yourself, it's difficult to reach your full potential. John Maxwell says there are three kinds of people. Number one, people who don't know what they would like to do. These people simply drift through life. They go wherever circumstances take them. They don't have a clear direction. They don't have a clear purpose. Without direction, life becomes routine instead of meaningful. If you don't decide where you are going, someone else will decide for you. Number two, people who know what they would like to do, but don't do it. This group is much larger. They have dreams, they have ideas, they know what excites them, but fear, comfort, self-doubt, or procrastination keeps them from taking action. Dreams never change lives. Decisions do. Knowledge without action produces frustration. Number three, people who know what they want to do and actually do it. These are intentional people. They discover their purpose. They develop themselves. They learn continuously. They accept challenges. They pay the price. Eventually, they become the people they were created to be. The question for all of us is this: which of these three people best describes me today? Now let's talk about discovering your passion and purpose. Maxwell says that discovering yourself begins by asking good questions. Questions create clarity. Clarity creates direction. Direction creates intentional growth. He divides these questions into two parts. The first 4 questions help you discover what you want to do. The next 6 help you create a plan to get there. Let's walk through them. Part 1. What do you want to do? Question number 1. Do you like what you are doing now? This is an honest question. Not every difficult season means you are in the wrong place. But if you have stopped growing, if you have lost all enthusiasm, if you are simply existing, it may be time to evaluate. One of the greatest dangers in life is becoming comfortable in a place where you have stopped growing. Sometimes the greatest risk isn't changing, the greatest risk is staying where you are. Question number 2. What would you like to do? What excites you? What gives you energy? What would you enjoy doing even if no one applauded you? Passion is often God's way of pointing us toward purpose. Pay attention to what continually captures your heart. Don't ignore those desires. Explore them. Pray about them. Develop them. Question number 3. Can you do what you would like to do? Passion is wonderful, but passion must be supported by preparation. Ask yourself, what strengths has God already given me? What skills do I need to develop? What gifts make me unique? Everyone has something valuable to contribute. Growth happens when we discover our uniqueness, develop it with the discipline, and place ourselves where those gifts can make the greatest impact. Question number 4. Why do you want to do it? Motives matter. Do you want recognition, money, status, Or do you genuinely want to serve people and make a difference? Your why will determine how long you will stay committed when the journey becomes difficult. Purpose built on the right motives lasts. Purpose built on selfish motives eventually collapses. Let's move on to part 2. Create a game plan. Knowing what you want isn't enough. Now you need a strategy. Question number 5. Do you know what to do so you can do what you want to do? Every dream needs a plan. Know where you want to go. Break it into smaller steps. Take action. Stay accountable. Then surround yourself with people moving in the same direction. Dreams become reality through consistent action. Question number 6. Do you know people who do what you would like to do? Growth is relational. We rarely reach our potential by ourselves. Find people who are already where you want to be. Learn from their successes. Learn from their mistakes. Their experience can save you years of unnecessary struggle. Question number 7. Should you do what you would like to do with them? This is where mentoring becomes important. Don't just admire successful people from a distance. Look for opportunities to learn from them personally. Ask questions, observe their habits, receive correction. Mentors help us avoid blind spots that we cannot see ourselves. Question number 8. Will you pay the price to do what you want to do? Everything worthwhile has a cost. Growth requires sacrifice, time, effort, discipline, consistency. Many people love the idea of success. Few are willing to pay for it. Potential is free, growth is expensive. The question is, are you willing to pay today's price for tomorrow's dream? Question number 9. When you can start doing what you would like to do? Most people answer when I am ready. The problem is very few people ever feel completely ready. You don't become ready by waiting. You become ready by starting. The first step creates momentum. Progress comes through action, not perfection. Start before you feel fully prepared. Question number 10. What will it be like when you get to do what you would like to do? Imagine living with purpose. Imagine using your gifts every day. Imagine waking up excited because your life is making a difference. Will there still be challenges? Absolutely. But there is deep satisfaction in knowing you are doing what you are created to do. There is no greater joy than living your purpose. Here is the conclusion. The law of awareness teaches us something very simple yet very powerful. You cannot intentionally grow until you intentionally know yourself. Know your passion, know your gifts, know your motives, know your weaknesses, know your purpose. And once you know them, don't stop there. Create a plan, learn from others, pay the price, take action, because awareness without action changes nothing. But awareness followed by intentional action can completely transform your life. Here is the final challenge. Before we finish, I would like to leave you with 3 questions. What is one thing you have always wanted to do? What's stopping you from doing it? What is one step you can take this week to move closer to your purpose? Write your answers down. Think about them. Pray about them. Then take action, because growth doesn't happen by accident. It happens when awareness leads to intentional action. Thank you for joining me today. If this episode has encouraged you, please like, share, and subscribe so others can grow with us. I will see you in our next episode as we continue learning from the 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth by John C. Maxwell. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep becoming the person God created you to be.